Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, one way to make a significant storm, especially one that creates a lot of wind, is to have contrasting air masses. In other words, very cold air bumped up against relatively mild air. When you have that, you tend to get significant precipitation, big temperature changes, and strong wind. So that's the setup right now. We're on the mild side of this storm. Temps are in the 40s and 50s. Look at Doppler radar. It's not snow. It is rain. It will be heavy at times. So initially, it's kind of a springtime setup this evening. If you're heading out, obviously grab the umbrellas. Watch for the water filling up the potholes and some big puddles. No ice or snow yet. That'll arrive later tonight. So the rain impacts heavy at times for this evening, along initially with some mild temperatures, and then the cold air settles in after midnight and especially by daybreak tomorrow. So after 12 a.m. into Thursday morning, some ice, some black ice, and a little bit of snow on top. Now, fortunately, we won't be dealing with excessive amounts of snow. We're thinking a layer of black ice and then a coating to an inch of snow on top of that black ice. There's some pretty strong wind. The wind's not strong right now, but later tonight, especially Thursday, gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour, coupled with very cold temperatures. The net result will be wind chills near zero, even though it's very mild right now. 49 in Providence, along with high humidity. In fact, it's 51 at South Bay Retirement Living Center in South Kingstown. So certainly on the warm side of this storm right now. As we widen out the view, where's the cold air? Well, not that far to the north, northern New England, upstate New York. It's in the teens and lower 20s. And you can see that big temperature contrast. Cold and warm kind of bumped up right against each other. And eventually this cold air will work down later tonight and especially for tomorrow. Big snows in northern New England, 12 to perhaps 20 inches of snow in ski country. Currently, we have moderate to heavy rain at times. Here's the storm itself. As it intensifies and pulls away tomorrow, it drags down, actually overnight tonight, it'll drag down some of this cold air later tonight and into tomorrow, changing the rain over to snow. Watch the big temperature drop. Just follow the clock right here. Nice and mild at springtime, and then here comes the big chill overnight, what we call a flash freeze. The roads will not have any time to dry up, and as a result, the wetness will turn into black ice. 2 o'clock in the morning, it's already below freezing and falling fast. 8 o'clock in the morning, it's only in the teens, and with winds very strong, wind chills below zero, and the temperatures barely budge in the afternoon, only about 20, 25, but the feel-like temperatures will be in the single digits to near zero, and then we'll be setting up for near record cold later tomorrow night into Friday morning. So giving it the yellow caution light tomorrow morning. Extra travel time. Again, I mean, it's about the worst case scenario when you have black ice and then a coating of snow on top. The temperature at 18. And again, excessive snow amounts would be reserved for northern New England. Here we're thinking a coating to about an inch, but that's all it takes to cause untreated surfaces to become difficult. So allow for some extra travel time. So for this evening, initially it's rain with temperatures in the 40s and then snow and ice overnight. 18 tomorrow morning. Windy, bitter cold, sharply colder, and even tomorrow afternoon with partial clearing later in the day, the temperature only at 22 degrees. We bounce back up to 36 after near record cold Friday morning at 12, and then we're back to milder weather over the weekend. 48 Saturday with a couple of rain showers, 45 and dry on Sunday, and then back to colder weather Monday of next week. And we've talked about this before. This time of year is the roller coaster season where you get big swings in temperature from day to day. And that's because March and April are transition seasons between winter and summer, and why you can have some days that are very mild and other days that are very cold. So welcome to New England in March.
All right. Yeah. Thanks, Tony.